Hello everyone, in this video I'll be sharing the process of making this game you're seeing right now on the screen. Hello everyone and welcome to this first ever devlog of the Knights Arena. So this is a game that I was making. By the way, I am Yash and I am the founder of Game Developer Diary. So anyways, let's talk about the project. So this is a project that I was supposed to make in something like 7 days or 1 week, but it took me longer than expected. So I thought, why not share my process on this project with you guys? So I thought, why not make a devlog of it? So this is the first ever devlog of the Knights Arena. Let's begin by what the game actually is. The game is basically a shooter game and you just kill enemies till you die, and there are 3 unique and uniquely different areas. The first one is the desert area, the second is the snowy area, and the third one is the grassy area. So for now I have these 3 areas, but I would like and expand them to be like 5 areas, because till now I have only 3, but I actually want them to be 5. So I will make that in later devlogs of this series. So make sure you follow along, because if you don't follow along you might not understand what is happening. So consider watching right from this devlog. So basically I use the Unity game engine to make games, and I also have some tutorials if you would like to learn Unity. So consider checking them out. Click on the top right corner, what you are seeing right now, and you can see the whole playlist of my Unity tutorials. So I basically have 3 types of enemies. The one enemy is, it just chases you around and doesn't do a lot. It just chases you around, and if it gets too close it gives you a little bit of damage. The other enemy is, it chases you around and also hits you with the sword if you are within a certain distance. And I have the third enemy, who is this big bad guy with so many guns attached to his back. He just shoots them every 0.25 or 0.30 seconds, and he just keeps on running around, so you cannot directly fire at him, but he is kind of easy to kill. Not absolutely hard, but if there are 4 or 5 of them, yeah, that's kind of very hard. So now that we have the classification of the enemies, let's talk about the 3 worlds. So the first one is an absolute rectangle shaped and very simple world. The second one is slightly bigger with a wall in between, and the third one has, basically if you rotate U upside down and make the U a little rectangular. I think it is not like U at all, but I think you get it. Anyways, I have some trees as well as rocks behind which you can take cover if the enemies are coming like too fast towards you, and you can find angles to shoot them which are really cool, and you can just keep on shooting them without even getting hurt even once. And even if you get hurt, the enemies drop health packs. So before proceeding ahead, let me tell you one thing, guys. The game is still in pretty early development. As you can see, not even the coins can be picked up till now, so it's kind of early, but I won't require more than 2 weeks to make it cooler and better. So that's it. And another thing, guys, everything, all of the 3 maps are randomly selected. The enemies are randomly spawned, and the enemies randomly throw coins or health packs. It's a great mix of random as well as hand painted. So if you guys like that, consider leaving a like on this video, and it just helps in keeping me motivated. So that's actually basically everything about my project, and that is it for this videos. I will keep you updated in further devlogs, and thanks for watching, and consider subscribing if you haven't subscribed till now, and hit that like button if you really liked the video. So anyways, if you're interested in this game, it will be launched absolutely free on itch.io. So it will be free, and you wouldn't even have to download it. You can directly play it on the web. So it will be absolutely cool, and you can play it definitely. And you can even check out Game Developer Diary on itch.io. I'll put the link in the description box, and even in the top right corner, the link might be coming right now. So that was it for this video. That was it for me, and well, bye.